Dublin, ladies and gentlemen. It takes a few minutes now to reach our parking area, so please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete standstill and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Would you please check that you have all your personal belongings with you before you leave the aircraft. Do take care when opening the overhead bins. Items which may have come displaced during the flight may fall out, causing injury to yourself or to another passenger. On behalf of Aer Lingus, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope that you have enjoyed the flight and we look forward to seeing you on board again. I'd also like to remind you to check our website, airlingus.com, for our cheapest fares, great deals on Hertz car hire, hotel and travel insurance. Caravans of Fortune, after Aer Lingus and you, to still going around Paris just a good. So, good afternoon and thank you.